Alright, you're welcome to my channel. I am Jadsax, the saxophone instructor here in this channel. And today I'm going to be teaching on pentatonic minor scale. Okay, previously we've been discussing about the pentatonic major, and now I want to introduce us to the pentatonic minor scale and to also know how to rightly apply them on your own. Here in this class today, I'm still going to tell us the difference between your pentatonic major scale and your blues major scale. I'm going to tell you about the difference between your pentatonic minor and your blues minor scale. So just stick to this class as I take you through this journey. Alright, now to talk about your pentatonic minor scale, your pentatonic minor scale goes in this order, where you have your root, flat third, 4th degree, your 5th degree, and the flat 7th. So you're going to have it as do, mo, fa, sol, to. Alright, this is your pentatonic minor, which can be played in this way. This is your pentatonic minor scale. And I want to show you one particular way to easily remember this. In case you forget that the scale is do, mo, fa, sol, to, do, there is an easy way for you to quickly remember this your pentatonic minor. Mind you, I'm playing on the key of C. Alright, now this is how to quickly remember it. You can easily turn your root to a 6th degree, alright, which is La. On that note, you are going to be playing La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La. So of course you will agree with me that the only key you are going to have your C as La is of none other but what? E flat. So on E flat now you'll be playing La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, which is still the same thing as you playing what? Do, Mo, Fa, Sol, To, Do on your key C. Alright? So in case you forget Do, Mo, Fa, Sol, To, Do, you shouldn't forget La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La. And how I said you should use it is you turning your root to a 6th degree, which is your La, alright, and play La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La. As simple as that. This is it again. This is your pentatonic minor scale. When should you make use of your pentatonic minor? You can easily make use of them whenever you have your landing note on the 1st degree, which is your Do, when you have it on the 4th degree, which is your Fa, and when you have it on your 5th degree, which is Sol. So in cases like this, you can easily make use of your pentatonic minor scale. Now I want to come up with some licks and further talk about how we can use it in your improvisation. Now assuming I'm having my landing note on the 1st degree, I can easily come up with something like this now. This is Do, Mo, Fa, Sol, Do, To, So, Fa, Mo, Do, right? Let me take it slowly. If you still want to extend it down, you have it like. This is Do, Mo, Fa, Sol, Do, To, So, Fa, Mo, Do, To, So, Fa, Mo, Do. Right? Now that is when I have it on the 1st degree. Now what if I have it on the 4th degree? Alright? Of course you know how to create your licks already. Yeah, we've had several classes on that. Now, if I have it on the 4th degree, I can play something like now. Fa, Sol, Do, Mo, Do, To, So, Fa. Alright, this is a lick now on the 4th, which I can use, and I'm still going to make use of it today. Now, on the 5th now, we can have something like. This is Sol, Fa, Do, Mo, Do, To, So, Fa, Sol. Now let's quickly apply these licks on a song titled You Are Yahweh, You Are Yahweh, a song by Steve Brown. You are Yahweh, Alpha and Omega. You are Yahweh, Alpha and Omega. Of course, the tonic of is Mi, Sa, Do, Ti, La, Ti, Do, La, La, Fa, Sol. Now at the point of Sol now, I should be able to come up with that particular lick I made mention of before. Alright? On the 5th. Now, Mi, Sa, Do, Ti, La, Ti, Do, La, La, Fa, Sol. mi so re mi do la do fa mi so re mi do la mi re do. Now another landing note that falls on the first degree, which I'm going to consider now. As far as this particular song is concerned, now there are 2 points for me to consider using my pentatonic minor. The point where I have my landing note on the 5th, and the point where I have my landing note on the 1st degree, both on the saw and on the do. Alright, now these are the places I'm going to apply those licks that I made mention of before. Alright, and there is the song. Right? Now you can hear how I applied it on the 5th, where I played so fa do mo do so fa so and do mo fa so do so fa mo do. Alright, these are places that I applied it now on the song titled You Are Yahweh, You Are Yahweh. If you notice, there was no point for us to apply the 4th degree, but then we are going to consider a song, You've Been Faithful, Lord, from the ages past. Now mi fa, this is the point now. Okay, so here now I'm going to substitute it with the lick that I played before, which is played to be what? Fa so do mo do to so fa. Fa so do mo do to so fa. Now I'll play. Can you hear that? Fa so do mo do to so fa. Alright? Okay. This is another lick now on the 1st degree. Do so so fa so mo do. Alright? Before we were doing, that was what we did before on You Are Yahweh. Alright? Now let me go over the song again. You've been faithful, Lord. Now I'm going to show you the difference between your pentatonic minor scale and your blues minor. The difference between the pentatonic minor scale and the blues minor scale. Now this is the only difference. All you just need to do here is to introduce a particular note to your pentatonic minor scale, and that note is what? Sharp 4th or flat 5th. Alright, you can either refer to it as sharp 4th or flat 5th. Now, where does this one comes in? Already you know you have your pentatonic minor scale to be what? Do, mo, fa, so, do, do. And now to play your blues minor scale, what you're just going to play is do, mo, fa, fi. Alright, fi is sharp 4th or flat 5th. So you have it as do, mo, fa, fi, so, do, do. So the introduction of the fi into the pentatonic minor scale gives you the blues minor scale. So and now you have it to be as simple as that. This is your blues minor scale now. As simple as this. I want to show you something interesting now about this your blues minor scale. Do you know what you're going to do? Turn your roots to La again, but this time around you will play La, Do, Re, Re, Mi, So, La on E flat. So whenever you play La, Do, Re, Re, Mi, So, La on E flat, you are already playing Do, Mo, Fa, Fi, So, Do, Do on the key of C, which serves as your blues minor scale. Now I'm going to show you the difference between the pentatonic major scale and the blues major scale. Now, your pentatonic major scale is played to be what? Do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay? Now, to play your blues major scale, you are going to play do, re, mo, mi, sol, la, or do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay? So, it's as simple as you just introducing a flat third to your pentatonic major scale to give you the blues major scale. So you have it like, alright, so you play. This is your major blues now. So, and you can see that the only difference between the pentatonic major and that of your major blues is the introduction of your what? Your flat third. Alright? So you have like, and your pentatonic major scale is, or your intensive one-on-one saxophone training course. I'd like you to call the number +234 8144 058 513. Here in this session, it's going to be you and I, right? Where we talk much more on several things that look so challenging to you on the saxophone. Please, I'd like you to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, as that will enable you to be notified. And if you have a question, kindly drop it on the description box. Like this video, share the video, comment on the video. Thank you for watching.